Hey there! Let's talk about transforming your balcony into a cozy haven. Imagine stepping outside your door to a space that feels like an extension of your home, a little slice of paradise where you can unwind and reconnect with nature. Sounds dreamy, right? The good news is, it's totally achievable, even if you're short on space. This isn't about grand, sweeping renovations. It's about simple, heartfelt touches that make a world of difference. Whether you envision enjoying morning coffee amidst fragrant blooms, or sharing intimate evening conversations under twinkling lights, we'll get there together. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and let's transform that balcony into a space that reflects your style and brings joy to your everyday life. Before we dive into the fun part, let's start with the basics. Decluttering. It's the first step to transforming any space, and your balcony is no exception. Think of it as setting the stage for a new beginning. It's amazing how much we accumulate on our balconies, often without even realizing it. Over time, these items can pile up, turning what should be a relaxing outdoor space into a storage area. Take a good look around. Are there old plant pots, rusty tools, or forgotten furniture taking up precious space? These items not only clutter your balcony but also your mind, making it hard to enjoy the area. It's time for a fresh start. Gather up anything that doesn't belong, isn't being used, or simply doesn't spark joy. This is your chance to reclaim your space and make it truly yours. Donate, recycle, or toss whatever it takes to clear the decks. Remember, each item you let go of is a step closer to a more serene and inviting balcony. A clean slate will open up the possibilities and allow your personality to shine through. With a clear space, you can start to envision how you want your balcony to look and feel. Trust me, once you've decluttered and swept away the dust, you'll already feel a sense of accomplishment. It's a rewarding process that sets the tone for the rest of your balcony makeover. It's like hitting the reset button on your balcony, making it ready to embrace a whole new chapter of cozy charm. Imagine the possibilities. A space for morning coffee, evening relaxation, or even a small garden. The potential is endless once you've cleared the decks. Now, let's introduce some life onto your balcony with the magic of plants. Even a small balcony can become a verdant oasis with the right greenery. Think about the amount of sunlight your balcony receives. Do you have a sunny south-facing spot or a shadier northern exposure? Once you know your light conditions, you can select plants that will thrive in your space. Herbs like rosemary, basil, and thyme not only smell wonderful but also add flavor to your cooking. Trailing plants like petunias, sweet potato vines, or ivy create a cascade of color and soften the edges. Consider vertical gardening solutions like trellises or hanging planters to maximize space. Arrange your plants in an aesthetically pleasing way, mixing and matching heights and textures for visual interest. Section 4. Creating a cozy seating nook. What's a balcony paradise without a comfortable place to relax and soak it all in? Creating a cozy seating nook on your balcony can transform it into a personal retreat where you can unwind after a long day. Imagine sitting back with a good book, a cup of tea, or simply enjoying the view. Even the smallest of balconies can accommodate a cozy seating area. You don't need a lot of space to create a comfortable and inviting nook. With the right furniture and accessories, you can make the most of every inch. A bistro set with 2 chairs and a small table is perfect for enjoying morning coffee or an evening cup of tea. This setup is not only functional, but also adds a touch of elegance to your balcony. It's a great way to start or end your day, surrounded by the beauty of the outdoors. If space is limited, consider a single comfy chair or a plush floor cushion. These options are perfect for creating a cozy spot without overwhelming the space. A single chair can be a statement piece, while a floor cushion can be easily moved around as needed. Add layers of comfort with weather-resistant cushions and throws. These not only make your seating area more comfortable, but also add a touch of style. Choose cushions and throws that are durable and can withstand the elements, ensuring your nook remains inviting all year round. Choose soft fabrics and colors and patterns that complement your overall balcony aesthetic. This is your chance to express your personal style and make the space truly your own. Whether you prefer bold, vibrant colors or soft, neutral tones, the right fabrics can tie everything together beautifully. Think about incorporating a small side table or stool to hold your drinks, books, or a flickering candle. These small additions can make a big difference in functionality and ambiance. A side table provides a convenient spot for your essentials, while a candle can add a warm, inviting glow. With a little creativity, you can create a seating area that feels like an extension of your living space, inviting you to unwind and enjoy the fresh air. Think about how you use your indoor space and try to replicate that comfort and functionality outdoors. Your balcony can become a sanctuary where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life, even if just for a few moments. Section 5. Illuminating your evening escape. As the sun begins to set, the right lighting can transform your balcony into a magical escape. String lights are a classic choice, adding a touch of whimsy and warmth. Opt for LED lights for energy efficiency and longevity. Lanterns are another great option, casting a soft, inviting glow. You can find lanterns in a variety of styles from rustic to modern to match your balcony's aesthetic. Consider adding candles, always in safe containers, for a touch of romance and ambiance. Place lighting strategically to highlight focal points, such as your seating area or your favorite plants. The interplay of light and shadow will create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxing evenings. Section 6. Personal touches for a unique retreat. Now comes the fun part, adding personal touches that make your balcony truly yours. This is where you can let your creativity run wild and infuse your space with elements that reflect your unique style and personality. Whether you prefer a minimalist approach or a more eclectic vibe, the possibilities are endless. This is where your personality can really shine through. Think about the colors, textures, and items that make you happy. Maybe it's a vibrant and eclectic setup that brings a smile to your face every time you step outside. Do you have a collection of vintage watering cans? Display them proudly. These unique items can add a touch of nostalgia and charm to your balcony, making it feel like a cozy retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Are you drawn to bright colors and bold patterns? Don't be afraid to incorporate them into your design. Use colorful cushions, throws, and planters to create a lively and inviting atmosphere that reflects your vibrant personality. Incorporate them into your cushions, throws, and planters. These elements can transform your balcony into a cozy and stylish haven where you can relax and unwind. Think about what makes you feel happy and relaxed. Is it a serene and peaceful environment or a vibrant and energetic space? Whatever it is, find ways to incorporate those elements into your balcony decor. Personal items, such as family photos, travel souvenirs, or handmade crafts, can add a special touch that makes your balcony feel like an extension of your home. Maybe it's a cozy hammock for lazy afternoons, where you can curl up with a good book and enjoy the fresh air. A hammock can be a perfect addition to create a relaxing and comfortable outdoor space. A wind chime that creates a soothing melody, adding a sense of tranquility and calm to your balcony. The gentle sound of the chimes can help you unwind and enjoy the peaceful moments, or a collection of colorful lanterns that add a touch of bohemian charm. These lanterns can create a warm and inviting ambiance, perfect for evening gatherings or quiet nights under the stars. Remember, there are no rules here. Your balcony is a blank canvas, and you are the artist. Let your imagination guide you as you create a space that is uniquely yours. This is your space to create and curate, so don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and ideas. Mix and match elements that speak to you and make your balcony a true reflection of your personality. So have fun with it and let your personality shine through. Your balcony should be a place where you feel comfortable and inspired, a personal retreat that brings you joy every time you step outside. If you like this video, press the like button and the notification bell. Subscribe and share the video. Happy gardening!